Spotify has added a new feature that brings full-length music videos to their streaming service. Want to learn more? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to watch music videos on Spotify. Now let's get started. To watch music videos on Spotify, first ensure you've updated your Spotify app to the newest available version. Then open Spotify and check out your playlists. If a music video is available for a track, it will say video next to the artist's name. Tap one of these to begin playing the song. Tap the playback bar at the bottom to open the full screen view. Then tap Switch to Video. You can then watch the full-length music video for that song. This will use more data than regular audio streaming, so tap Switch to Audio to change it back if you want to conserve your data usage. That's all it takes to watch music videos on Spotify. Want to see your weekly listening stats? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.